In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WordPress mobile application. Whether you're looking to enhance your blog's reach or want to make your website more accessible on phones and tablets, creating a mobile app can make all the difference. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you have all the tools needed to get started. To begin, you'll need to ensure you have a WordPress website ready to go. If your website isn't set up yet, take some time to do that first since it's an essential foundation. Already set? Great! Next, we'll be using a plugin that bridges your WordPress site and the mobile app. There are several plugins available, but one commonly recommended is AppPresser. This plugin simplifies transforming your WordPress site into an interactive and user-friendly mobile app. Once you've selected your plugin, download and install it through your WordPress dashboard. Simply navigate to the Plugins section, search for the plugin, and hit Install. After installation, don't forget to activate it. This step is crucial as it enables the plugin to function as intended. Now that the plugin is activated, the next step is creating an account with the plugin provider. Take a moment to visit their website and set up a profile. This will typically involve entering some basic information and confirming your email address. Once your account is ready, you'll need an API key, which essentially acts as a password for your app to communicate with your WordPress site securely. Head back to your WordPress dashboard, locate the plugin, and enter your API key. Your website and the plugin are now connected. With the connection established, we're ready to start designing the app. Within the plugin settings, you'll find a series of customization options. This is where you can decide the look and feel of your mobile app to ensure it aligns with your brand. Pay attention to design elements like themes, colors, and logos. Remember, consistency with your existing website will provide a seamless experience for your users. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's time to test your app on a device. Testing is essential. It's your chance to see the app in action and catch any issues. If everything runs smoothly, skip to the next step. If any bugs crop up, go back to the plugin settings and debug as necessary. After successful testing, you'll need to publish your app to app stores like Apple's App Store or Google Play. For this, you'll need developer accounts on these platforms. Take the time to set them up if you haven't done so already. Follow the publishing guidelines for each store to ensure your app is approved without any hiccups. And there you have it. Your WordPress site is now an app, ready to reach users across devices, further expanding your digital presence. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful in guiding you through the process.